You find it hard to understand. My heart lies in your little hand. Oh, just how much I love you so. How hard it is to let you know. My love for you is deep and strong, and yes, I know I'm sometimes wrong. When worry makes me seem unkind, and sometimes even cruel or blind. But all the stupid things I do will not affect my love for you. For though I'm cross, I love you still. I always have, I always will. When you are sad, I feel the pain and long to see you smile again. It hurts me when you cannot see just how much you mean to me. Oh, listen, my dearest, precious child. Around your heart my love is coiled. Please show me now, for I must see that you still love and cherish me. You find it hard to understand. My heart lies in your little hand. Oh, just how much I love you so. How hard it is to let you know.
1, 2, 3.
You find it hard to understand.
I was bad at maths. I thought I was bad at everything. But when I discovered that I could actually write poetry, it was like a breakthrough to heaven. I felt whole and useful and wanted.